Hello. Welcome back. It is a wonderful day to explore. I am Professor Wolfizzle. Welcome to day 9 of our 3,000 word challenge. Yesterday, we were high up in the cold mountains. We saw the peaks and the snow. But today, I have come down to the coast. I'm at the edge of the world. Listen. Do you hear that? Splash. It is the rhythmic sound of the waves. The water is hitting the shore and then going back again. I'm standing on the beach. The sand under my feet is yellow, warm, and very soft. The ocean is in front of me. It is blue and it looks like it never ends. It goes all the way to the horizon. The horizon is the line where the sea meets the sky. I look down at my feet. I see small shells on the ground. A shell is like a tiny, hard house for a sea animal. I pick one up. It is smooth, shiny, and shaped like a spiral. I put it to my ear. They say you can hear the ocean inside a shell. I think it is true. The air here is different. It is windy. The wind is salty. I can taste the salt on my lips. I see a giant ship far away. A ship is a very large boat. It is moving slowly across the water. Next to it, I see a small sailboat. It has a white sail made of cloth. It uses the power of the wind to move. Now, I decide to go on a boat myself. I want to see what is under the surface. The surface is the top part of the water. Before I go, I put on my life jacket. It is bright orange. Safety is the most important thing for an explorer. We move away from the shore. The shore is where the land ends and the water begins. The boat moves up and down on the waves. Suddenly, look! Over there, a fin. Is it a dangerous shark? No, it is a dolphin. And another one. A group of dolphins is called a pod. They are jumping out of the water. They look like they are laughing. Dolphins are very intelligent and friendly creatures. The water here is very deep. Deep means if you jump in, you will go down a long, long way. Under the boat, there is a hidden world. There are fish of every color you can imagine. I see red fish, blue fish, and even tiny orange fish with white stripes. They are swimming through the coral reef. A reef is like a colorful forest under the sea. It is full of life. I'm looking through my binoculars. Binoculars help me see things that are far away. I see an island. An island is a piece of land with water all around it. It has palm trees and white sand. It looks like a paradise. I imagine there's a treasure chest buried there full of gold and silver from old pirate stories. The sun is very bright and hot now. I feel the sun on my skin. I need to find some shade. I go to the front of the boat and feel the spray of the water on my face. It is cold and refreshing. I take a deep breath. The ocean is very powerful, but it also makes me feel very calm and peaceful. Today, we learned about the mystery of the sea. We learned about waves, sand, and shells. We talked about ships, sailboats, and the horizon. We learned about dolphins, sharks, and colorful fish in the reef. And we talked about islands in the deep, salty water. You are doing an incredible job. You're not just learning, you are swimming through the English language. Today, we added another 60 important words to your vocabulary. Your English is becoming as deep and as wide as the ocean itself. Let us look at our total progress. 790 words. That is a very big number. You are almost at 800. Tomorrow, we will reach a new milestone together. I'm Professor Wolfizzle. Do you like the ocean? Do you prefer the beach or the high mountains? I will see you tomorrow for day 10. Goodbye.